Here we go, into the wild. The famous snoring engineer. Do you hear him? Let me get closer. It's a very rare sight. To catch one in the wild. They call it the snoring engineer. He's dead.